Hi everyone, I'm Heather. Welcome to Strings and Threads, streaming to you from my dungeon of dreams. Join me in the magical world of crochet, knitting, and all things yarn. If you're a fellow yarn enthusiast, hit that subscribe button and become part of our creative journey. Let's dive into today's project. Hi, welcome to Battle of the Stitches, first week of May 2025. If you're new, welcome first of all. I wanted to explain what Battle of the Stitches is too. Battle of the Stitches is with Teresa from Critters Crochet and me. The two of us started it, and we're working through this book called 200 Crochet Stitches by Tracey Todhunter. And each month we pick a new stitch. We're going in order in the book. And the first week we show the stitch and we show a tutorial on how to make the stitch. And then we start designing our own designs with that stitch, but we don't tell anybody what we're making. And so the second week we'll give a sneak peek of what we've made. The third week we show what we've made and we do a tutorial for what we've made. And then the last week we do a live. And we also have a Facebook group, so if you wanted to join in the fun but you didn't want to do a video, you can go and join our Facebook group. It's called Battle of the Stitches, and I have a link to it in my description. We have been enjoying having people come and compete with us every month, and if you have a channel or you want to make videos and compete with us, let us know. We want everybody who wants to do it with us to do it with us. We're not going to turn anybody away. We'll let you know all the details, so email either me or Teresa and we'll give you the details. This month we have Sam from By Hook or By Needle, and we have Jana K, Flourish Crochet with JK. Yay, I remembered. And we have Vima from Vima's Crochet. All of them are lovely, so go and check them out. If I am doing things correctly, I will put their links, in my video somewhere, but I also have their links in my description, so you can go there just in case I've messed something up and I didn't get their links put up correctly. But this month we are doing the track stitch. Well, that's what it's called in the book, and here's how it looks. So I'm excited to see what everybody is going to make with that stitch. So after we all show our designs, we put voting polls up, and all of you can vote for the project that you liked the best. And then at the end of the week, we'll tally up the votes, and whichever project got the most votes, we'll do a giveaway for that during the live. So it's a lot of exciting things. We also do special things for people who post in our Facebook group. So please make sure you go and check out the Facebook group, join the group, and join in all the fun that we're having there. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.